Hi, I'm Tony, CEO and founder at Flockler. In this video, I'll go through the pricing of Flockler and some of the key benefits of our service. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. Number one, what are automated feeds? Flockler's pricing is based on the number of feeds. You can select from 5 plans between 2 and 60 feeds. If you require more than 60 feeds, we're happy to create a custom plan for you. At the start of this video, I'll briefly explain what an automated feed is and how you can create a feed for your organization. Number 2, what's included in Flockler pricing? I'll cover the most important features included in all Flockler plans and some of the key benefits. Number 3, how to select the right plan for my project. I help you understand how to calculate the number of feeds for your project and select the right plan. What is an automated feed? On Flockler, one automated feed gathers content from a specific social media channel. The feed can gather content by a certain account or mentions of a hashtag. For example, one feed could gather all the posts from GoPro's Instagram account. Another feed could gather all tweets where a hashtag London is mentioned. You can display one or multiple feeds on your website. By default, all your feeds show up in one place. However, you can categorize the feeds in sections and show multiple social media channels and hashtag campaigns separately. From our YouTube channel, you'll find a video showing how to use sections. How do you create an automated feed? Let's take a quick look. After logging into your Flockler account, navigate to the Automated Feeds tab. Here you can view automated feeds created by you or your colleagues. In this demo, I have created an Instagram feed gathering content by GoPro. Let's add another one. Click the Add a New Feed button. Our friendly bot will welcome you. Start by selecting a channel. I'll add a Facebook feed by GoPro. I've connected my personal Facebook account here. You can connect any Facebook account that is an admin of at least one Facebook company page. Based on that, Flockler can tell that I can access Flockler's Facebook page. However, here I'm going to gather a post by GoPro and I'll click Another Page. Next, type the name of the Facebook page. You can also add the URL of the page to the field. I'll select GoPro. Here I could filter posts by a keyword, but I want to show all the posts. And the last question, store for moderation or display automatically. Save for moderation is helpful if you're looking to gather posts from anyone mentioning a hashtag. However, in this video, I'll choose to show all GoPro's posts automatically. And that's it. We've now got both Instagram and Facebook feeds set up. I can choose to display them together or separately on any digital service. What's included in Flockler plans? Let's cover some of the most important features included in all plans. With Flockler, you get an unlimited number of walls, grids, carousels, and slideshows. You can create as many as you like on the Display tab. In my demo, I've previously created a social wall layout. Let's create another one. Click Create a new one. Our platform will ask you to choose a social wall, grid, carousel, or slideshow. We already have a wall, and let's select a grid. And here we go. Now we have an embed code for a grid layout. You can click Edit Style and Settings to customize the look and feel. Unlimited page views and posts. We don't limit the number of page views. You can add Flockler to all your digital services. For example, you might have a website, mobile app, display screens, or internal services where Flockler content could be displayed. You can gather as much content as you like. All the content you've collected with Flockler stays saved and available. Change automated feeds and keep the content. This is one of the features that separates Flockler from other social media aggregators. You can turn off and on the automated feeds at any time. When you turn off the feed, the content you've already saved stays on Flockler, and you can use the automated feed for another purpose. Let me give you an example. In my demo, I've got a light plan of Flockler with 2 automated feeds. One of the feeds gathers content from GoPro's Instagram account and the other one from their Facebook page. Let's say I would like to change the Facebook feed to a YouTube feed. Click here to turn off the automated feed. Turning off the feed means that the content is still visible on your site, but we won't collect new content anymore. Now we have one feed available in our subscription, and we can add a new one. If you'd like to delete all the Facebook posts we've gathered, you can click the Delete button to remove the feed and all the content it has gathered. When should I turn off the automated feed? For example, if we're running a short-term hashtag campaign. When the campaign is over, you can turn off the feed, keep the content visible on your site, and create a new campaign. Another example is events. Many companies run events over the year. With Flockler, you can rotate feeds included in your subscription from one event to another. Moderation. If you want to review the content before displaying it on your site, you can store the content for moderation. You might remember how I selected the automated feed to display the content automatically. If you select to store content for moderation instead, you can find posts stored on the Content app. Click the inbox icon to review the posts and click the Publish button to display any of them. Unlimited user accounts. From Flockler's settings, you can invite colleagues to manage feeds and content with you. After logging in, navigate to the Settings tab. Then select Users. Here you can send an invite to a team member. In the final section of this video, I'll help you pick the right plan for your project. In this video, you have learned what are automated feeds, how to create an automated feed, and how to turn on and off automated feeds. As discussed, Flockler has 5 plans between 2 and 60 automated feeds. The right plan depends on the number of feeds that you need at the same time. An average Flockler client gathers content with 4 feeds. Here's an example of the 4 feeds. You could have a Facebook page, an Instagram account feed, a YouTube channel feed, a Twitter account feed. That's 4 feeds in total, and our basic plan would be the right choice. Sometimes companies might have multiple departments or countries that are keen to use Flockler. In that case, you can select one of our plans and divide the feeds between multiple companies. To give you an example, your company might have offices in the United States, Germany, and Hong Kong, and each of them would like to have their own Flockler account with 5 feeds. In that case, you can purchase our business plan with 15 feeds. The Flockler team will help you to set up 3 separate Flocklers, and you can access them through the drop-down on the top left corner. You can always change your plan if you need to add more feeds later. By default, Flockler has a monthly rolling contract that you can cancel at any time, no minimum contract length. However, as you can see, our yearly plan comes with a 15% discount. It's a great choice if you're looking to use Flockler in the long term. That's all for now. If you have any questions regarding Flockler's features and pricing, do not hesitate to contact us over email or hit the live chat button on our website. We're happy to help. For more tutorial videos, have a look at our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.